I know what you're thinking. Sonic has a twin brother? Well, no. This guy right here is Shadow, and he's kind of my biggest rival. He's also a real buzzkill. And by the way, he roller skates.
They're air shoes.
Shadow?
What did you do?
What did I do? Eggman's the bad guy, remember?
You literally shook the world.
That's because I'm good. And powerful, apparently. Jealous? Maybe my winning disrupted your brooding. Or is it skulking? That's a word, right?
You need to stop, Sonic. And listen for once.
Tigers! Get back here!
I could do this all day.
Bang!
Clearly you're angry, which is normal. But I'm supposed to be on a bit of a mission here, Shadow.
What mission?
None of your business.
You got it! I got it! Oh, no! Oh my god, why are you so strong?
I know, we're fighting again. Don't worry, guys. I'll calm him down. Dude, whatever the beef, we're not gonna settle it this way.
Tiger! Tiger!
Oh no, my friends! Look, Shadow,
Not right.
Learn to focus.
My organs hurt.